showers and thunderstorms.
Hello?
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and storm alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. With information about a watch or warning would follow. These systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and storm alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Gary, Cumberland, and mostly sunny. Wind chill, temperature 73. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA Weather Radio Warning Device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. The alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings such as affecting the listening area. Baltimore. FBW on Marshall Airport, the 11 sunny skies. The temperature was 83. The 11 a.m. observation.